as a social media manager, what does your day look like? Like, paint the picture of like what it takes to be a social media manager. What does your day look like?
Now you're trying to jump up all in my business. I got post scheduled to talk about these things, but we're gonna talk about so. So the day-to-day life is very different the day depending on how you wake up and things like that. But one of the main things I try to do now when I get up is I always hit the gym. I hit the gym between 5:30 and 6 in the morning. It's a faithful thing that also boosts my confidence. From the gym, I'll come home, get myself all freshened up. I may throw pajamas back on one clothes, just depending on how I'm feeling. And from that point, I go through a checklist on how I'm going to operate throughout the day. So to go from making sure all the client stuff is posted. Then from that point, I'll check in with my community. Like, do you need anything? Everything's going good. That includes my interns as well as my clients, just to make sure we're all on the same page. If I need something, they have incentive. I do all that communication at that point. And then from that point, I'll go ahead and make sure everything for tomorrow is set up. And then I plan out from the client post on, I'll make sure that there's no hiccups. Everything still looks good, like when we left it. Also, I'll be prepared to assign duties and things of that sort. One of the things that a lot of people don't talk about that I make sure that I do is I subscribe to and constantly try to stay up to date on the trends, what's going on and what's new. Now, I don't post it as often on my social media, but I said, you know what, I'm going to start doing a monthly update on what's going on in the industry so that people can actually know, like, because if you ain't used to the industry, you're up there trying to figure out what's going to happen next, what's going on next when you don't care. So I want to make it easy to start posting that on my social media.
That's a great idea.
So I was like, yeah, I'm going to start doing like a monthly update. Like, why not?
I love that. That's a great idea because you're right. Your end clients, they're not looking at that. They don't necessarily care, but them knowing that you do, yeah, I love